Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you guys. It's the Lopoo Smart Outdoor Outlet. I did receive this to review, but you can go ahead and purchase it yourself on Amazon. I'll put the link in my video description below, and then we're going to walk through today the unboxing and then we'll review it. So I'll set up a lamp here, we'll connect the app, I'll show you how to do everything with this outlet. It's very similar to an Oidum outlet that I reviewed, so check out that video too. And it works with the same app and the Smart Life app, which I really like. And again, we'll show you in this video. But here it is. Looks really great. It's a smart outdoor outlet rated at IP44, which basically means it's splash proof. So great for connecting lights and stuff outside. So here it is. Looks really cool. Nice product packaging. You got their brand in the corner. You can see it works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Smart outdoor outlet. So yeah, it's really neat. Really cool packaging. Looks great. Now we'll go ahead. We'll just open it up. Slides right out of the box. And there's two things that come in it. First, we have the set of instructions, which is nice. They have a way to download the Smart Life app right there. It also does work with IFTTT, which is cool, so you can program a lot of other smart things as well if you're interested. And really detailed instructions. This is important. There's a lot of stuff you can buy on Amazon from maybe competitors that just don't have good instructions and don't have a good app. I can vouch for you. I've used the Smart Life app a bunch. A lot of these products work with it, which is really cool. So if you ask me, it's best to stick with maybe the Smart Life app and find the products that all can connect with it. So you don't have to have like 10 different apps, for one for your smart bulb, one for your smart outdoor outlet, one for your smart switch, that sort of thing. Just have them all contained in one app. So really great instructions. You definitely want to refer to these when you set up. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and we'll look at the outlet itself. Really nice packaging. Love that it's protected in plastic. Here it is. It's really cool. So this is plenty long to put in an outlet. And then you have this right here that'll open up. It's a nice rubber grommet on it that you can use to plug in your device. And then you can close this and keep it protected from the elements. They got a little spot here if you wanted to screw, if you're going to mount this somewhere. So really cool, really neat, really compact. Pretty sweet for a smart outlet. Really excited to go ahead and set that up for you guys. So let me go get prepared and we will take a look at this through the app. Hey guys, I'm back here really quick. I got the setup going on. I got a lamp here so you can see it work. I got the outlet and I got my phone. So first thing I just want to show you, this does work. It's really nice too. This button's awesome. So you can just push with one finger on and off. So that works great. I got my phone here. We're going to record so you can see how to set this up with the Smart Life app. So go ahead. First step for you is download the app, whether you have a iOS or Android device. It's in the App Store. So go to your App Store, look for Smart Space Life as the app, download it, and then you'll be ready to go. So you want to find it on your home screen, click Smart Life, the app will load. So I have a couple of different things already programmed, but it's really easy to use if you have not done anything already. So that being said, there's this little plus button at the top and you want to add a device. And you can look all the different options they have here, which is really cool. We want to add an electrical outlet. Confirm indicator rapidly blink. So right now the light is solid red, if you can see that. I'm going to hold this down for 5 seconds. Closer to 10 seconds. It is blinking between blue and red now, and yeah, it did turn it on. So it is blinking. Hit confirm. That's my Wi-Fi password. And then it'll connect. Device successfully added. So there you go. Outdoor outlet. If you wanted, you could change the name. Hit complete. So again, at the top, you can change the name if you want. Device name, outdoor outlet. If you have 10 of these and you want to kind of name them based off where they are around your house, that sort of thing. Device location. You can add it to a room. Check network. Check now. Supported third-party control, IFTTT, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. Before we're done, we'll go ahead. We'll just set up Google Assistant too. So it's really nice that they have a video showing you how to do it. So it's showing you complete product network configuration in the Smart Life app, configure Google Home device, make sure Google Home device is powered on and connected to the Wi-Fi, open the Google Home app on your phone. So you then tap setup. So it looks pretty straightforward, really cool. Home control, a lot of different options. So we can walk through that in a minute if you want. You can share the device, create a group, device information, feedback, check for firmware updates, remove the device. Here it is. So here's what's really cool. You can control it like I did with the button earlier, or now you can use the app. On, off, off, on. You can switch. So socket is on, socket is off right there. There's a schedule. So do you want to add a schedule? So you can schedule it by the time, how often you want it to repeat, all 7 days of the week, just a specific day. And what do you want to do, on or off? And then you can save it. So that's the scheduling, which is really helpful. Save a bunch of outdoor decorative lights and you want to come on at 5 p.m. every night but go off at 11. You can do that right there. Here's a timer. So you want to time the light and then it'll go off, which is really cool. So 15 minutes timer. And then you can get rid of the timer if you don't want to wait 15 minutes just by turning it on and off. And then what's cool is there's statistics too that show you your energy management, which is awesome. So how much current's coming through, what's the watts, what's the volts, and then total kilowatt hours you've used. And then it breaks it down by month. So really exciting if you just want to monitor some stuff too. A lot you can do within the app. I really like Smart Life. Again, it can relate to other apps within here as well if you have other devices. So it's really, really cool. So that's kind of a quick overview of it. Really easy to set up. Again, download it from the store and then follow what I just did in this video. They have really helpful instructions. Now we're going to take a look at setting up Google Assistant. Hey guys, back here going to show you how to set up Google Assistant. Really easy. I have Google Assistant built into my phone. I have a Google Pixel 2. If you don't, download the app, then just go to your settings. So here I am within the app. I click this, I click settings. Then I'm going to go to Assistant, Home Control. So if I want to add something, you can see I have all these different options. And since I've already linked this app before, I have it right here as the outdoor outlet. It's already updated, which is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add just in case you haven't done this. You want to scroll through until you find it, or you can search. So there's Smart Life. 4 devices, unlink account. I do not want to unlink it. So that's it. It's already in there. There's a Smart Life app. So I should be able to turn it on and off right now. So just make sure you know what the name is. This one's named Outdoor Outlet. So let's see if I can get Google Assistant to turn it on or off. Please turn off Outdoor Outlet. There you go. That quick. And then it actually has an option too on the screen, which is cool. You can turn it on right from within Google Assistant, or I'll talk to it again. Okay, Google, please turn on Outdoor Outlet. There you go. Really easy to use. Same thing for Amazon Alexa. Really an awesome app. Great product. Go ahead. The link is in my video description below. Check it out. See if it's the right outlet for you. They're very affordable, and I can't rave about it enough. If you're looking for one, this is great. So love smart outlets. Waiting for smart homes for everybody. Really awesome and exciting time to be alive with the way technology keeps progressing. So the fact you can do all that with your phone is really sweet. So appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, hit the sub button. Check out the link in the video below. Join my newsletter. I'll be doing a lot of content on there as well for you, so you don't want to miss out some promotions and hopefully some giveaways soon. So I appreciate you guys being here. Go ahead, check out those links. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.